Okay, this video is to show you how to do an offset in a Hass machine. I finished running these parts. That's plus 001, this is plus 002. So now I have only 002. So what you guys need to do is go to offset page. You hit one more time offset, and you see here your G54, 55, 56, 57. That's your offset. So you're gonna go on, and here this is the one that I finished. So you're gonna type 0.001, right, it goes to 20, or you can do 0.002, and the G50, G55, and then you go F1. And it's gonna, when I pressed it, it's gonna replace it. You see? And that's how you want to, and your offset and your G code, G52, 54, 55, your origin, G56, 57. You're raising up all the tools. 1, 2, 3, 4 origins. So instead of moving all your tools, they only have 2. See, 1 and 2. Just move the whole offset. I'm gonna stop the video.